Good day, everyone. I'm here again to cook for you. Today, I have prepared these three different the three color of bell pepper. There is a yellow, red, and green. So like a rainbow. And we gonna start with this is a minced fish with I have a spring onion on it. I just mince it and a little bit spring onion inside for taste, a little bit salt. So let me wash this. Bell pepper. So just to wash it a little bit. Actually it's clean, but just to actually I had soaked this to avoid the I don't know how to call this. To avoid the spray from the farm. So now it's clean, and we have to cut it. Make it sure you have to cut it to the right direction with something like this. We have four corner on it, so just follow this, and so look at this, and have to cut it like this. Just cut them into plot, something like this. So yeah, do it again at the same time, like that. And we have to take all those different color, and so look at this. We have yellow, we have, look at this. Okay, actually this bell pepper we can use any kind of meat, not only minced fish. We can make a minced pork, beef, or veggies, tofu, I mean soya bean, and you can mix up with different kind of vegetable too, but you need to mince it, or you can do it also into potatoes. Okay, and this is very healthy dish. So look at this. We have this kind of minced fish, so we need to peel up this, and I have this corn flour. It's help to stick a little bit between the minced fish and bell pepper. So just sprinkle all like this. So look at this. So looks good. And I have my pimientas mix. So we have to put a little bit to make more fragrance and delicious taste. Okay, now it's very simple after mincing this kind of fish meat. So what we're gonna do is just to peeling up this sweet. This one is a sweet bell pepper. You can do it into an eggplant, anything which you can make it, or bitter gold, or spicy chili, and brown mushroom. So yeah, it's so easy, and when you eat this, you don't feel get hungry in a few hours, which this is so yummy and delicious. So look at this, so easy. And just continue peeling up. Don't cutting too wide or too deep, otherwise your fish all times separate into the bell pepper when you're frying it. So just let stick into this. So look at this, so good, yum. Look, oh, we have one more. I need to prepare another one. So which color you want? Yellow? Okay. So we just make the yellow color and put it all, just enough. So beautiful. Yeah. Now I have my different pepper. We have to put a little bit white pepper. This one, it's means a powder white, how to call, powder white pepper. Okay, and we have to cover up a little bit with this corn flour. Okay, so easy. Look at this. Now we have to start. Okay, so when we cook this, it depends to you whether you want deep fry or stir fry. I mean stir fry, it's a little bit salt only, a little bit oil. But if you deep fry, then you can put a lot of oil. So for me, just enough with this and oil. So we have to heating up well before we start this. So look at this, so beautiful. Of course, you can use also a beautiful and fresh onion to fry them. Now we can start to put it in. Okay, so look at this. And I'm preparing my favorite chopstick for this. Okay. Good. And just let your heat not too high to let those bell peppers too dark, so that you have a beautiful look into this kind of dish. So look at this, it's done. And let me serve you this yummy look, so beautiful, and I'm sure you like it. There is no bone on it. And the fragrance, look, then it's yummy than meat. So look at this, so yummy and beautiful. Thanks for watching, and see you again next videos. Hope you like it. Bye.